Okay, it is Sunday, March 24th, 2024, in the year of our Lord. Excuse me, and I'm going to show you how to fix a simple issue where you don't have to take your truck to a shop or back to your terminal or your mechanics to fix. You can do this on your own. And that is a power outlet going out on your Kenworth, Peterbilts, Freightliners, and I would imagine Volvos are probably the same. As you can see there's no power in this outlet up front here. The side one here does have power, as you can see. This is a 2022 Kenworth, and we are going to fix this issue. So what happened on mine, I connected my mini stove up here in the outlet, heat up some food, and sometimes that causes it to short out, diffuse. It happens. So we are going to fix this issue, and these are the tools you're going to need. A set of mini pliers with a little hook on the end, if you can see those, and then or just long nose pliers. Right, so let's get to this. First things first, come down to the fuse box. It's on your left hand side, left foot. Where your left foot is, that's where your fuse box is going to be, right underneath the connection here, the port for your diagnostic computer plugs in. So right underneath here you can see a little door that opens. See that? You can see all the fuses. So here's the fuse layout, and what you're looking for is power ports, front engine power port, power ports. So I know on this one I've changed them before, and it's, let's see here. Okay, yeah, there you go. E4 and E5. See that? Power port 1, power port 2, E4 and E5. And if you look at the diagram here, it is those two right there. See that? Now, take this off here so you can have a look. You have to really get down in here. You can see that it's a L-shaped. Okay, so the tire fuse box here is like a L shape. So you go to your diagram and you can see the L shape. All right, and you see that it's three big fuses. Let's look at it. F5. Let's look at the bottom of it. CKP1. What the hell is that? It's blotted out. Anyway, so that's the way it's laid out. There's a 30 amp fuse there. You can see that 1, 2, 3 of those big ones, and then up. Oops. Yes, it's very tight in here, so trying to get there, right there. See the two 310s. Okay. Those are going to be replaced. The two top ones, E4 and E5. So one in my diagram, I have 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5. See that? So I'm going to go 4th and 5th going to the right. So there you go. See that? There's the blue one way back from the left there. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those first two 10s are the fuses that are, one of them is no good. So that's got to be replaced. So get your pliers, and to make this easier, this whole footrest here can be taken off also. Simply snap it off. See that? And that reveals more stuff so mechanics can work, the airlines and what have you. So this allows you to get better room inside here. And those panels just snap back on, so no worries. So I'm gonna take off that first 10. Let's check it. Oh, this is not easy. Got it. Let's see which one is bad. Okay, I took off the first one. And it appears to be good. There's the camera. Anyway, so that one's good. That's the first fuse that I took off. So I'm going to set that aside. Go in for the second one. And what the hell? It's good also. So what is going on here? E4 and E5. Both fuses appear to be good. Let's see. E6 is cab dome lamp. I'm going to put them back on and see what happens. The fuses don't appear to be burned out. Oh boy, that's what you don't want. Losing damn fuses in this maze of craziness. Get a flashlight. happens. So it makes this very difficult. Removing all this plastic stuff, panels. So I'm gonna have to get new. Let's take a look underneath here. I went through this before, and it takes time, but if you just do it patiently, you can do it. A lot of twisting and contorting of your body is going to be necessary. Oh boy, patience. Alright, so I got one of those tins back in. Now I need to get another one that I have storage. So I will be right back. Okay, I'm back here. So always have you a little baggie of extra fuses. And if you don't have the 10 amp like this, don't worry, you can use a 15. I would not suggest going lower like a 7 or a 5 amp. Just go higher, 15, if you don't have the 10. So let's try this again. Again, this is not easy. I mean, it's just where it's located that makes it hard. That's the whole issue. And if you see this pliers, they have a bend to them. Those make it a little easy if you can get you one of these pliers from Harbor Freight in your tool chest. Alright, so let's try this again. Alright, there we go. I got both of those. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wonder if I 210. Let's see if I'm getting this panel thing right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. D6 is 10, 3 10s. Right behind 30 amps. Okay. That's it. Okay, let's see here. I know what the issue here is. Bingo. So yeah, I had them wrong. I had the wrong fuse. If you can see here, let's look at this panel again. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 big ones, 30s, right there. And then right behind it, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see that there are E4, E5, and E6. Power port 1, power port 2, and cab dome light. And I think from last time I did it, I put 2 15 amp fuses there because I didn't have 10s, just like I was telling you. So those 2 10s that I pulled out and I put back in, those are not the correct ones. These are the correct ones. See, this is the 15 that I pulled out. You can see it's broken. The middle part is broken. It's no good. So I need another 10 to replace that one. Oh boy, and I'm gonna have to probably go over the whole thing because I took out those 2 10s and hopefully I put them back in the same place they're supposed to be. Again, you know, this is frustrating because it's cramped in there and it's dark. You also need a good flashlight, you know. Yeah, there's not very little room to put a flashlight. So I'm going to put the 10 back in there, or the 15 I took out, and we'll see. Okay. Yes, I know, it is frustrating as hell. Here we go again. Okay. Alright. Oh boy. Jeez. Come on. The plastic tool that takes these off that comes with your fuse, those don't work good. They don't grasp it, so that's why I'm using pliers to get a good grip on them. Alright, so let's get this thing in there. Come on, get in there. There we go. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I got that back in there. Now, alright, so let's see if the thing is working now. Oh, okay. Now there you go. See, so that was the right fuse that I took out. I put a 10. I had, like I said, I put a 15 last time I had to do this. You can see back there. No, you probably can't. There we go. So you see that 804? I'm in the 3, 4, and 5 mark where those fuses are. And the 15 needs to be replaced with a 10. And you see that, let's see, what was I doing? You see the 15 and 2 10s there? I took off those 2 10s for no reason because I thought those were the those were the ones. Those are not the ones. It is the ones. No, it's, I know. So yeah, so where the 15 and 210s are, those are the correct areas where the power port fuses are. I was taking off the ones further back, those 210s. Those 210s, I just looked on the panel, they're supposed to be 15. So I'm wondering, when I did the last time, I misplaced them. But there, see that? Anyway, so hopefully those 210s back there, I'm going to replace those with 15s because that's what it shows on the fuse panel. So, and then if I got that 15 back there in the front there, that I got to change that out with a 10. So anyway, that's how you do this job, and putting the panels back. It's pretty simple. They click in. See these holes here? Oh, right here. And then right here. And then all those two over here. The panel just clicks back in. Give it a good snap back in and it'll go back in.